pretty as it might be, this is
I think everything. That's like 20.
I wonder what time they have these people read.
They're not. Oh, the green ones are probably done. I had Oh no, that cabin up there that I thought was really tall up on the. It's got well, no, it looks like it's got water from right
at it.
Yeah. Yeah, like 100 acres right there. I'm so jealous. I can't stand it. Well, they have to know what they're. They have to know what to get into. If you're going to live on the river, the odds are that it will flood. I had a friend from New
People writing freaking their names with their boyfriend's name. They're probably still not together. I feel weird being down here because you know the Richmond Road Bridge that goes over the river.